Induyos.
Amadillos Alfonso, Romeo de Jake Buslaya, Ralph Jaden Coronation, Ian Jared Pancho, and Brylon is Agpan. Okay, parents, put on their medals. Look at the camera and smile. And congratulations, Val.
Let's continue. Alexander James Ratkapan, G7 Makakalikasan with honors. Sophia Sabine Biguray, G7 Makatao with high honors. Angel Nicole M. Guayabua, G7 Makatao with honors. Axiel L. M. Banggaan, Angelica Ned.
Mas masaya pa rin kung lahat sana magiging honor students. Okay? So, of course, we are here this morning, tulad ng sabi ng ating opening prayer kanina, we are here to celebrate the achievement, the dedication,
Of your children. Good morning, everybody. Your MC this morning, yours truly, Mama Risa Bomogao.
And I am Jomari Ocampo. To start and to give us our welcoming remarks,